Hi, welcome on Cosmetologist on Demand. I'm sorry for my voice today, but unfortunately I'm going for a flu. If it's fine with you, then it's fine with me. So I hope it will not disturb us during the video. Anyway, today we'll be discussing a very important topic. This is how to make your hair look shinier, healthier, and not only to make them look healthier, but to make them healthier, to prevent hair loss, to moisturize your scalp, to moisturize your hair, to nourish your hair. We will be talking about hair oiling. So probably many of you have heard about it, or maybe you have tried, but what does it is exactly and what benefits does it bring to your body and also to your hair? So let's focus on the process first. The routine is very simple. I mean, you need either some hair oil that is already created by some cosmetic brand, or you can just create your own hair oil from natural oil that you have in your kitchen. It could be the almond oil, it could be coconut oil, it could be olive extra virgin oil, it could be rice oil, and many more. Those you can mix, you can be very creative and play with them. They have all slightly different abilities, and your hair will benefit slightly different. So if you just combine them as one hair oil, and maybe you can also add some additional ampoules, some serum to that mixture, you can still create very nice product for your hair by yourself. Do it yourself. So I will today show you one possibility to do it with some kind of brand. I chosen Pore, who is a brand that I think originally come from India, and this is where I bought those cosmetics some time ago when I was on a business trip, when the colleague recommended me that brand. So when I'm thinking about, you know, a super healthy look of hair, tremendous shine and a thickness in the volume, I'm thinking about actually Indian hair. So that is why when I was in India, I went to local supermarket and I just check what products they have, and I chosen Pore, and I chosen 3 different cosmetics, and I will today show you the very simple process. You can still use your own products. It doesn't have to be necessarily this particular brand. It's all about the process and actually putting oil on your scalp and your hair. So I will invite you now to see the process. So as you could see, it's quite simple. You just mix oils, or you can choose one oil and then put it on your hair. And then what is important, and I will emphasize it one more time, is the massage and stimulation during this process. By massaging scalp, it can be with fingers, it can be with this very cheap tool that I showed you in the video. You're boosting circulation of the blood across the scalp. What it brings tons of stuff. It boosts oxygenating process across the scalp. By improving circulation, you're also expanding vessels across the scalp, and by doing that you're making the vitamins and minerals in the oil to absorb much faster. By massaging, you're also creating stimulation of different layers of skin, so you are increasing reproduction process in your skin. Also, you will improve regenerating process, including production of keratin, which is a protein that is a builder of our hair and nails. So that's very important aspect. Many studies have shown that by massaging and stimulating scalp, you can actually prevent the hair loss and also boost growth of hair. For example, after pregnancy or during a longer period of stress, you might notice that your hair are falling. You're losing much more hair than previously. Also with the aging, we are unfortunately losing much more hair. This is something you can do to influence that process in a positive way. A lot of oils have a lot of different vitamins. Majority of them have at least vitamin B, actually different levels, 12, 16 and 18, plus vitamin K and E and A. Some of them are antioxidants that are crucial defender for our sun exposure, stress exposure and anti-aging process. As you know, we live in very stressful environment. Whatever you do, wherever you are, you have some level of stress on you, smaller or bigger. It doesn't matter if you're a parent of 1 or 6, it doesn't matter if you're working in a small company or if you're working for a big corporation, or maybe you're unemployed. There are so many aspects of your private and business life that put you in stress, and you cannot very often prevent that. And with those stressful factors that already are hitting your organism, you can do something about it, right? So coming back to the treatment, it's not only a way to, boost shine and make your hair look softer, feel softer and also be healthier, but there is part of this relaxation that we are forgetting about in our normal life. Everyone on the earth should have something for themselves to forget about all the stress, all the topics that you have in your mind, and do something for yourself. And try with once per month or once per quarter, and then if you will see effect, maybe you will try to do it more often. But I encourage you to do it not only for your hair but also for yourself. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to stay with me for this cosmetologist journey, please click the button subscribe and also give me a thumb up if you enjoyed for today. So see you in the next video. Bye.
I wanna know you, I wanna show